Good news, everybody. This is not a real Yenko. This is a 1969 Yenko clone, 620 miles on a body-off-frame restoration. The reason I say that's good news, recently several of these have sold in the $500,000 to almost $1 million range. And actually one of them brought over $1.8 million for a 69 Yenko that looks just like this one. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have the price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you scan the QR code, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this has the 427 motor, the 4-speed, the posi. It's done just like Yenko built them. For those of you that don't know, the biggest engine you could get was a 396 unless you special ordered. And that's what Yenko did. He ordered through the COPO, they called it, Central Office Production Order. And then he would put a 427 engine in, and only a few hundred were made. And that's what this is a tribute to. So anyway, it has the functional cowl induction hood, all clean, straight metal, doesn't have the moldings or the rain gutters. It's just a nice, clean, basic hot rod. That was the intention, all straight, all along the bottom. The roof is straight, coming down the sail panel straight. All this looking really good. Has the rear spoiler. It's not an SS, so it just has the Chevy bow tie there. That's how they were. All this nice, clean, straight, really nice looking metal. Look down the side of the car, all the way down underneath, all clean. Look at the reflection of my hand in the finish. Going up here, there's no funny business. All around here, nice, clean. Door opens easily, jambs are painted nice. Straight, clean, no bubbles, no blisters. The pillars are all real good. Everything lines up square, flush. The hood, the cowl panel up here, that all looks real nice. Clean, straight, shiny. The tag on the firewall is code 7272. That's Hugger Orange, top and bottom, no vinyl top. The grill is all excellent. It has the Chevy bow tie, the bumper, the lenses, the front spoiler, all that's been replaced. It has the Yenko decals. It's a Yenko Super Coupe. Those are the 3 letters, SYC. And then, of course, the decals down the side, new marker lights, new emblems, the Yenko emblem here. Windshield's been replaced, stainless moldings, wiper arms, the window fuzzies right here, door handles, they've been replaced. The wheels are brand new. That's a vintage style, but they're the brand new torque thrust wheels with Yenko decals in the middle. And they're wearing Goodyear Wide Tread GT Performance reproduction tires. They're 15-inch. The back bumper, everything back here is looking really slick. Original glass, it'll have the light scratches in the glass. Yeah, it's a good looking car. It's a clean, straight body, Hugger Orange, looking good. Let's open it up. Oh, it's slick looking. That orange paint's beautiful. And inside we have a nice clean trunk compartment. Painted up nice, has a sticker, the jam is clean, weather strip is replaced. All nice clean metal inside with the spatter finish, painted rim, tire it's never been used, complete jack assembly, a front license plate bracket. Looks better without it, but if you feel you need one, there it is. Comes with a car cover. The latch looks new. The wiring looks like that's been replaced. So yeah, nice clean and complete trunk compartment. Now when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Nice clean jams, weather strips and door bumpers were replaced, sill plates were replaced. Complete reproduction interior, that would include the door panels, armrest, window cranks, handles, was all replaced. Now inside here, this all looks nice and clean, the plastic and vents, 140 mile an hour speedometer, 619 miles currently on there. Very rare center mounted fuel gauge, and then over here it has the tachometer. So it's a radio delete car. If you notice, there's no antenna on the fender. It's all nice and clean. Kick panels look real nice. Carpet's real nice, and it fits really well. It's not all wrinkled up. You got the Hurst 4-speed shifter. Complete set of GM seat belts. Nice cushions, nice upholstery. Has the Yenko Super Coupe on the headrest. Backs of the seats look good. Same thing back here. Carpet fits real nice. Got seat belts. You got nice upholstery, side panels, all looking really good. Rear shelf and trim all looks real nice. Very typical. You got some wrinkles in these side panels. Those are glued on and the glue comes undone. The headliner is tight as a drum. Matching visors look new. Mirror looks new. There's a nice original steering wheel. Again, without the SS center cap because it's not an SS. So very, very clean interior. So not a lot of frills. This was a go fast hot rod car. Now the dates and the codes tell us it is a 427 motor. It has the big port, rectangular port heads. It has the Snowflake factory aluminum intake. So that is a correct motor. It's obviously not numbers match, but it's a correct motor. It has a dual feed carb under there with the correct fuel line, and looks like the choke and all that looks proper. A correct looking distributor. The right valve covers, manifolds, firewalls all cleaned up, has some factory stamp markings. It's a big block heater core with the right hoses, clamps. Down low, the fuel pump, and then the alternator all looks good. The horns, the shroud, the radiator, has the curved neck radiator, that's correct. No power steering. Does come with power brakes though. It was all replaced when they restored the car. There's the Cowl tag, the squirters are hooked up. And speaking of Cowl, it has the functional Cowl induction. You'll see so many Camaros with the Cowl hood, but this is got the whole setup. The little flapper door that opens, that air gets forced right into this engine. So Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, got the Yenko clone here with the 427 under the hood. 4-speed manual, of course. What a cool ride. Really nice quality restoration here. And it does not have many miles since it's been completed. Effortless downshifts there. Really nice sounding exhaust. Let's see what she's got. Okay. Let's slow down a little bit. Get it back down to 60. How much fun is that? Really nice, smooth, consistent performance clear across the power band there through all gears. This thing is just a blast to drive. Come down and take it for a test drive yourself if you'd like to. You're always more than welcome here at the museum. We're only about an hour outside of O'Hare International Airport, Chicago. If you need to fly in, just give us a little notice. We'll get the car together for you and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it was body off frame restored. All the components were removed under the car, and the floors are spotless. They're painted a nice, neat satin finish black. The front end suspension was all rebuilt. The ball joints look new. Same thing with the rear suspension was redone. Has gas adjust shocks. Has a nice dual exhaust system. Fuel system was replaced, the tank, the lines, the brake system was all redone or replaced, disc brakes up front, e-brake is hooked up. Looking up at the motor, nice clean motor. Does have a proper Muncie 4-speed transmission, and in back it has a 410 posi rear end. So this 427 with the 4-speed and that 410 is going to be a fun car around town. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your 69 Yenko Camaro clone. We don't have to tell anyone that it's a clone. And delivered to your door, and they can help with financing and insurance. So give them a call. Thanks for watching.